Hello viewers, this short presentation is on tornado. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. The tornado tears up everything in its path. The enhanced Fujita scale is used to assign a tornado a rating, based on estimated wind speeds and related damage. Tornadoes are vertical funnels air which spins very fast. Its winds can reach 400 miles per hour. Tornadoes start in thunderstorms and are often accompanied by hail. The base of such cloud is located at altitudes below 2 kilometers and is characterized by large vertical development. Tornadoes generally occur near the trailing edge of a thunderstorm. Before a tornado hits, the wind may die down and the air may become very still. A cloud of debris can mark the location of a tornado even if a funnel is not visible. Tornadoes develop extremely rapidly, and may dissipate just as quickly. Most tornadoes are on the ground for less than 15 minutes but can last for 4 hours. It has been observed that, without any mountains in the way, cold dry air can move in the spring all the way from Canada to the Gulf Coast. At Gulf Coast, cold dry air collides with warm moist air from the Gulf of Mexico to form strong cold fronts and thunderstorms. There are some other meteorological conditions that come into play that create thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes. Studies are still going on to find out all possible reasons which help in development of tornado. The weather predictions are getting better day by day, and with such forecast we are to save human lives. It is often thought that tornadoes only occur in North America. The majority of recorded tornadoes do occur in the United States. However, tornadoes have been observed on every continent except Antarctica. Besides North America, Europe, Argentina, Australia, Bangladesh, and eastern India also experience tornadoes on a regular basis. Supercell tornadoes. Tornadoes that come from a supercell thunderstorm are the most common, and often the most dangerous. A rotating updraft is a key to the development of a supercell, and eventually a tornado. The most violent tornadoes come from supercells, large thunderstorms that have winds already in rotation. About 1 in 1,000 storms becomes a supercell, and 1 in 5 or 6 supercells spawn off a tornado. Warmed by sun, horizontal vortex are lifted into vertical direction. The updraft becomes heart of the thunderstorm. Upper-level winds tilt the updraft, called mesocyclone. This allows the storm to keep growing as warm air is sucked into the storm away from the cool downdraft. Water droplets from the mesocyclone moist air form a funnel cloud. The funnel continues to grow and eventually it descends from the cloud. When it touches the ground, it becomes a tornado. Remember that only a fraction of supercells produce tornadoes. Life cycle of tornadoes. The 3 main ingredients for a thunderstorm to grow and develop are instability, moisture, and a lifting mechanism. Initial stage. Tornadoes begin in and descend from a thunderstorm. You can observe a funnel cloud dropping from the base of the thunderstorm. Spinning winds will probably be present between the cloud and ground before the tornado cloud becomes visible. The spinning winds can stir up dust at ground level. Organizing stage. In stage 2, moist air moves horizontally toward the low pressure in the core of the tornado. This sideways moving air will expand and cool just as rising air does. Once the air cools enough to the dew point temperature, a cloud will form. Mature stage. Potentially the strongest and most dangerous stage of the tornado's lifetime. The tornado's shape often has a near vertical orientation. During this time, the tornado is at its largest size, could exceed 1 kilometer in diameter. Shrinking stage. The vortex tilts over more, often taking on a rope-like appearance dissipating stage. Funnel becomes nearly horizontal and stretch into rope-like formations.
Do, 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 do.